I have been homeschooling for 24 years, and after all that time, I've made a pretty big decision. We're not preparing our kids for college anymore. And honestly, I've never felt more at peace. Now, I know that's controversial, but I know also I'm not the only mom feeling this way. So today, I want to share why we made this shift and what we're doing instead. You know what finally hit me? We have been preparing kids for a system that's broken. College debt is out of control. Most graduates don't even use their college degree. We live in an age of information where you can learn pretty much anything that you would learn there for free. Of course, I'm not talking about STEM careers, but everything else. And meanwhile, my kids who are creative, they think outside the box. They have other bents and other interests and other forms of intelligences would be funneled into a one-size-fits-all pipeline that does not guarantee anymore. The average student loan debt is over $37,000. And most people don't even land a job in their field. So I ask myself, what if there's a better way? One that's faster, cheaper, more practical, and actually sets them up to thrive in this economy. But let's be honest, this was not just about my kids. It was about me too. We were saying no to everything. Money was so tight, and I was burned out. I hated watching my husband carry so much of the financial load while I was trying to do it all at home. I was spending late nights Googling how to make money from home, but everything just felt like a scam or a side hustle I didn't have time to figure out. I needed something that actually worked, and I needed it to be simple. That is when I discovered digital marketing with resale rights, specifically affiliate marketing, where you don't have to create your own course or products to actually make money. I started small, followed the steps, made my first commission. And for the first time in a long time, I felt so much hope. Now, not only am I learning, but I'm teaching my kids real world skills. We're not chasing grades anymore. We are building a legacy. So here's what we're doing instead of prepping for college. We're learning high income skills, digital marketing, communication, content creation to build real income streams. We're using done for you tools because I don't have time to figure it all out from scratch. And if you're a homeschooling mom who sees your kids' potential but worries about money or about their future, this is what I want you to know. You are not alone. You are not behind. You don't have to build Rome from scratch. If any of this resonated with you and you are ready to explore the very system that I use, I've linked a free training below in the description. It's step by step. No fluff, just the facts. You don't have to figure this out alone. We are mom. We are builders. We are teachers. And now we're income earners too. Hit like if this made you feel seen. Subscribe for more real talk, and I'll see you in the next one.